This is an activation of the emergency alert system on our South Central Kansas WX.
The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Cattaraugus County, Southwestern Allegany County, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:20 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allegany State Park, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Olean, Salamanca, Allegany State Park, Allegany, Cuba, St. Bonaventure, Weston, Hinsdale, Friendship, and Great Valley. This includes Interstate 86 between exits 19 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This was the activation of the emergency alert system on our South Central Kansas WX.